Outdoor shooting Thailand, boiling, sweating like Jayalalitha in a court of law. That's what Veer Das wrote on his Facebook. We have with us Veer Das here in Pattaya. Huge pleasure to have you back on Bolrangama, first of all.
Good to see you again, my friend. How are you?
I'm very good, yeah. And do you think that Jayalalitha will be happy or her fans reading this?
I think she'd be happy on this beach in Thailand and then she'd be in a court of law. So, yeah.
We shouldn't be laughing actually, one of these days. Okay, now enjoying yourself on the sets of Masti Zade?
I am. I'm having a good time. Contrary to popular opinion, I actually like doing songs. I actually like dancing and doing this sort of this thing. And also I like the sea a lot. Right. So I prefer it to sets and closed atmospheres. I like just being out and chilling. So it's fun.
Right. Okay, and how's the experience of working with Sunny Leone? And she's looking stunning as ever.
She's awesome. Yeah. She's really good. I think she's like me, where she has a great sense of humor. And where maybe a lot of people don't understand our sense of humor either. But she's just damn good fun. She doesn't take it all too seriously. The lovely thing is we all pack up by 6 o'clock because we only shoot in sunlight and this thing. So all of us go out together, me and Milap and Tushar and Sunny, and have a good time. So yeah.
Right. You have said in an interview that recently that sometimes I get a nice email from my mother saying, "Don't say penis on stage," and
Yes.
that'll always be point number 3. First 2 points will be, "Son, you're working too hard.
Yes.
Son, eat well."
Yes.
Now, talking about don't talk about the penis part. What you say do in your stand-up comic act and the sort of stuff that you're doing in movies. There's a lot of difference in that. How do you just juggle around the two things?
I'd always made up my mind that I wanted to do stand-up comedy in English. I wanted to act in Hindi. I always knew that even before I learned how to act. So that's the biggest difference. The language is the biggest difference. I think movies are tougher. Stand-up comedy, you can get away by saying things at a distance, and movies is all about subtlety and performance. Stand-up, you get results instantly. Movies, I have to wait 6 months to find out if I was funny or not, or if I screwed up or not. So I think to me, filmmaking is a much more detailed, nuanced process than stand-up.
You're doing a lot of movies right now,
Yes.
but coming back to your stand-up comic act, you can be quite. I've not really seen your stand-up, but I've seen quite a few videos.
Yeah.
You can be quite up there. You can be quite nasty at times, and you can be a lot of fun. And there are no qualms, no holding back. All sorts of language being used.
Yes.
You have your chutney band as well.
Yeah.
You perform as well. Now, compared to that, the movies, it's more. It's more quieter, and it's more in terms of nicer in a way as well. So
Yeah.
there is a shift over there.
No, I think it goes with anything that you're doing here. Like sometimes I read some of your articles and they're quite nasty and naughty, but you're being very nice right now. So, so, but I'm saying, look, I'm an artist. I'm a multifaceted artist. I do different things. I'm not apologetic for that side of myself. I now, of course, movies are taking over most of my life. Having said that, most of the people that I've ever encountered in the corporate world or in the industry, I think the more secure you are, the better sense of humor you have. I used to write the Filmfare Awards for 5 years before I ever, or IFA I used to write before I ever hosted an award ceremony. And I used to write jokes for big stars and big people, and all these people are very normal people who have a good sense of humor. So I think for me it's about being, yes, honest, being respectful. My stand-up comedy acts are nasty, are edgy, are offensive, but they're not unintelligent. I think that's one thing I'm never accused of being.
They are very intelligent, but say for example, if you're doing like a Masti Zade, in your stand-up act, you could have literally ripped it apart, like in terms of like an adult comedy in a way. So it is.
I think stand-up is an adult comedy in its own sense as well. That's absolutely what stand-up is. I think it'd be very hypocritical to say I'll only do adult in stand-up and not do it in film. Having said that, I've written stand-up comedy about every movie I've ever been in. Delhi Belly or Go Gone or whatever. So I'll write some jokes about Masti Zade as well when I get the time. You got to mix it up.
Right. Now, when it comes to just shooting for an adult comedy, then that too by Milap Zaveri. It can be you write yourself, and then Milap has he's known for his double meaning jokes, and he admits the entire double meaning part of it, and he has a lot of fun with it as
Yes.
well. Now, how's the experience for you? Is there any sensibility issues that you have at any point of time?
Not at all.
When you read the dialogue.
I think I came into it very clearly knowing it was a bound script. This was the type of role, and that Milap, as a writer, as a fellow writer, you have to respect a writer and respect his vision as well. It was a challenge to myself. This is not a movie you may normally see me in. It's a very commercial movie. It's a very large film, and it's the type of role, I can't tell you too much about it, but he's a very naughty chap, and something rather different from what I've played before. So for me, I always knew कि थोड़ा खुलना है, I have to try something different, I have to try new things. This year is all about, I mean, I've 5 releases in 2015. It's all about getting out of the box in 2015. I think Masti Zaadi is pretty out of my box as well, so it's nice.